and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. Today we are doing Frugal Living Challenge 25, and over the holiday weekend, my husband and I hit some thrift stores and an antique mall, and I wanted to share with you the haul that we got. We did not spend a lot of money because most of these places had 50 to 75% off on a lot of items. So let's get into some thrifty fun with Frugal Living Challenge 25. It is an open collaboration hosted by me. It is a year-long collaboration. You can jump on anytime you like. Just make sure that you're tagging me, that you're using the correct hashtag so that I can find your video to add to our playlist. The first item I'm going to show you is this cute little lamp. And we actually picked this up at the Amish community. It needs a new wick in it. And y'all, it's just adorable. It's $5. This would be a little lamp that they would set on their nightstand, or to go to their bedroom. A nice little lightweight lamp that they could carry. And I just absolutely love it. I think it's adorable. So that's going into my collection of oil lamps. And I probably will just buy the wick. I probably will not be using this one unless we have a major power outage where we lose power for an extended amount of time. I'm going to be going back and forth because I went to Hunt's thrift store and also to Goodwill. So at Goodwill, I found this little basket. And I think most of this stuff is from Hunt's. This little basket was a green tag, which was 50% off, and it was $2.99, and I got it for $1.50, and I just absolutely think it's adorable. So this might be my morning egg basket. I usually go out in the mornings and I collect eggs then. That's usually duck eggs early in the morning, and it's just big enough to hold maybe 6 to 8 eggs, or maybe a dozen. So it's just the perfect size for that kind of thing, or I can use it for other things. But I just thought it was really, really cute. I think most of this came from Hunt's. This is a jar. Y'all know I like these jars with the gasket on it and the pop lids. And the gasket is actually in good shape. I won't have to change that one out. This is probably about a quart or bigger. And the jar is made in Italy. It was $4.99 on Memorial Day. They had everything in the store was half price. So we paid $2.50 for that jar. Not a bad buy. As most of you know, I am changing over to dresses with leggings. The reason I'm doing that is to be more modest. And I'm getting older, and we get older. Things happen to our legs, our bodies, and it just changes. And I am looking at the aesthetics of it as well. The leggings have spandex in there, which is going to give me some support on my legs and help me with the neuropathy. And the dresses are just for wearing around the house and wearing to church or wearing out. So this again was the 50% off Memorial Day sale at Hunt's Thrift. And y'all, I'm going tie-dye. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. So this is about a knee-length dress. And I really like this. I'm looking for better sleeves. I don't like these sleeves that are real tight on me. But I can't find anything like that right now. I may have to go to making my own dresses. So this was an orange tag, $10.99. And there's my math. I paid $5.49 for that dress. And it has pockets. Love the pockets. So it has the pocket feature. It is a t-shirt dress, and I will get a lot of wear out of this during the summer months. and maybe into the fall and winter months because I can add a jacket to this and it will probably go around year round. I can't even talk right. And another one along the same lines as that dress, but in darker colors. It's also a tie-dye. It's got some pretty colors in there. It's got some oranges and purples and blues. It's just a very pretty knee-length dress. And again, it was $10.99, and I got it for $5.49 as well. So I saved a lot of money by buying my dresses this way instead of going to the retail store. Now, there was a time where I did go retail shopping, but I always looked at what? The clearance rack. You know who Clarence is? You know, it's that guy over in the corner, Clarence. He works here. Well, Clarence um, is the area I was looking for, and I'd always say, "Can you tell me where Clarence is?" And they'd look at me dumbfounded because they didn't understand Southern slang in the South. Go figure. Now, the next dresses we got on Sunday, and they had their yellow tags were 75% off. And of course, yeah, I went 2 days in a row. So this one is a little bit longer. It's still around the knee length. It's a beautiful fall winter dress, $10.99. The discount was $8.74, and this dress cost me $2.75, folks. Unbelievable. It's got um, pockets. It's got a little pleating in the back and a pleating in the front. And it's a button down front, which I absolutely love the detail on this dress. And I thought, well, I can definitely wear this. It is also a cotton fabric or something to that sort. Um, so it is just a really, really cute dress, and I can't wait to be wearing these in the fall and winter months as well. And I can wear it to church. This one was definitely a church dress for me. It's definitely reminiscence of the 90s with the big shoulder pads, which will probably be removed by me because I have wide shoulders. I don't need all that shoulder padding. And it is a style of dress that I know is flattering. So there is the dress. It's got this little insert here, which goes down into this part. And this is a 3/4 length dress. It was also $10.99, and we paid $2.74 for this dress. My hair is doing its own thing today. And I just love the way the dress is made. It's very flattering. It does have a zipper down the back. So that is another dress. And I can wear that probably year round as well. Just add a jacket or a throw, one of those off the shoulder things with that. This one is definitely a winter dress. And again, it was $10.99. And I do love the leopard prints or cougar or whatever prints these are. This is it almost has a velveteen feel to it, but it's not velveteen. It is a cotton fabric mixed with some other stuff. $2.75. I'm not going to cry over that. I will have to wear something because I'm very modest up here because this does not have buttons on it, but that's okay. And it's got a little bit of a sleeve detail to it with a little button thing, so you can wear the sleeves up or down. Just really, really cute. And I am excited. I've added 5 dresses to my closet, and it is now time for me to start cleaning out my closet because I'm running out of space to hang my new dresses, which will probably be a video here in the near future. My husband picked up 2 of these things that you put on your head and you tie it, and it's like a do-rag. They were marked $1.99. We bought these on Memorial Day. We got them for 99 cents a piece, and he got him 2. So he got him a 49ers, San Francisco 49ers, and a patriotic flag. So I'm excited that he's got those, and these do help with the sweat, and he likes wearing them to work so that he doesn't get sweat in his eyes. He works outdoors. That piece of hair don't want to work today, don't want to stay in place. I did pick up 1 apron. It was not on sale. This is the only piece I picked up that was not on sale. Let me get this over my head. And I love this. I love the print. It's got great big pockets on it. It was $3.99. So that was the only item, and I picked this up on Sunday, so I didn't get the discount on it. So I really like this, and you'll be seeing me wearing this in some of my videos. One more item. We did go to the discount grocery. I thought we went to the Antique Mall, but I guess we decided not to go there this week. Oh, there's 2 more items. The only bag of beans they had in the discount grocery. Chicken flavored 15 bean soup mix. We paid a whopping 69 cents for that. If I can get that tag up there. 69 cents for that, and that will definitely be a meal for us one night or one day when it's chilly outside. Big item coming up. Every grandmother and every mother in the 1960s, 50s, 60s, and 70s had one of these drying racks. And maybe even before that. So they had 2 of these at Goodwill. And I picked the one that was all wood. They had a newer one. I set them both up. The newer one was actually more flimsy than the older one. I mean, it shook more. So this was $4.99. And it was $4. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it was $4.99. And I love these racks because I can hang my unmentionables on this rack and allow them to dry while I'm hanging the laundry out on the line, if my clothesline ever gets put up. But I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I had one years ago and it disappeared or it broke. And I've been looking for one ever since. I'm so glad that I finally found one. So I'm looking forward to being able to use this in my house to dry clothes, especially on rainy days when you can't hang your clothes outside as well, but you still need to do some laundry. So this would be for, like, you know, your undergarments and things like that. Or maybe some towels. If you got towels to hang up, you can hang them on this as well. Let me take this apron off. That one piece of hair just wants to hang, so we're just going to let it do its thing. So this is my Frugal Living Challenge 25. It's to find items that you can find at a discount store or thrift store or even the Amish community before you go looking at the retail stuff, because a lot of times you can find things that are just as nice as the retail. Clothing wise, that can be washed and used by you, and it's not going into a landfill, so that is a double blessing. And these little lamps are prepper items. If you can find these, you need to pick up some of these and get some of that. They have a new lamp oil that is smokeless, odorless, that works just as well, and use that in your oil lamps when you have an emergency. These are perfect for emergency situations. And this one I could set in a bathroom to light up a bathroom while the power is out, or set out on a counter, or to just walk around the house with, so that I have a handy light Hey friends, thank you so much for watching my channel. Thank you for the many comments, the likes, the friendships, and for sharing this content out. Take a moment and watch all of the advertisements because that is how I get monetized and get paid. I appreciate each and every one of you for your time and your patience. And y'all, I have this special content over here I think you might like.